ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Fiesta. It is the SE model, this beautiful hatchback, black with the black cloth interior. Only 7,000 miles on this beaut. Alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera. Super nice, best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Your front driver's rim, very nice. I do not see any curbing. Let's check out your tire tread, which is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing here. Your tire tread, over 730 seconds. Is a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Some water. My guy was washing this car. Does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Alright, turn the lights. Got your AM, FM, CD player, awning, some of that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Got your awnings and your other shit stuff there. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Warning issues in your mileage of 7,962. Alright, looks good, looks good, looks good. Keeping it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, the holes, the tears, the rips, looks good. Some dirt there. The rear bumper looks pretty decent. We do have a dent here, some paint off, 3, 6, I would say about 9 inches. Let's say 10 or more, just engulf it all right there. And a cracking on the lower bumper cover. This is about 3 to 4 inches right there. The rest of your hood, the latch looks good. Trunk space, pretty nice. Does have a spare tire here with some tools and such. Looking around, seeing if anything, any frame or anything from that hit. I'll actually check it out underneath. Quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. I don't see any curbing. Tire tread, over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's your rear passenger seat, the other side of it, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. Your front fender looks good. Your front passenger rim looks good. Some curbing there, minimum about 1 inch. Tire tread, over 730 seconds. That pretty much completes the tour. Lights are working, car is on, things are beautiful, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, there's my boy. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2018 Ford Fiesta. It is the SE hatchback model with only 7,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.